From VOA Learning English, this is the Economics Report. The European Union is not likely to cancel trade barriers on China this year. The European Union is worried that Chinese exports will lead to job loss in member nations. That is what the EU Chamber of Commerce in Beijing said in a recent report. The European Union is China's biggest trade partner. Last month, workers representing trade unions in 17 countries demonstrated in Brussels. Some carried signs that read, "Say no to MES for China." MES means market economy status. The unions blame both China and Russia for creating job losses. Job growth in Europe has been slow. Jörg Woodke is president of the EU Chamber of Commerce in China. He says unrest is making it extremely difficult for European politicians to support China's request for being granted the status of a market economy. If it is granted, the move would reduce trade barriers and make it easier for Chinese exports to flow to Europe. Critics warn that MES for China could lead to the dumping of goods at unfairly low prices. In trade, dumping is defined as selling a product in a foreign country at below its price at home. But the EU has introduced anti-dumping cases that can block the flow of Chinese goods. According to the EU Chamber of Commerce, all except one of China's industries were suffering from extremely low demand for the amount of goods they can produce. Chinese companies have tried to export surplus steel, which has pushed down global prices. For VOA Learning English, I'm Peter Musto.